Hello friends, today I am going to share with you how to check satellite view on Google Map. So first of all I will open Google Map. After that go to profile and click on settings. So here is different type of options. So we will use start maps in satellite view. If we could enable this section, our mobile data is more use, so we will enable this options. So this option has been enabled. After that go to home section of Google Map. So here is home section of Google Map. So satellite view is applied successfully, so we can search any location in satellite mode. So in this way we can apply satellite mode on Google Map.